All right, so there's some new updates to our strategy. I want my students to pay attention. So, first, before I start my, let's open this first position. Let's go up. The market is going up. So as you can see, I'm opening with the $50. As you can see, with $50, and I would try to go to $800. So I'm starting with $50, and I'm trying to go or to reach $800 on my second account. So this one is going up. The next one is also going up. So let's go back to my strategy, guys. For those who already have access to my course, this course at binarystrategycourse.com. Sorry, binarystrategycourse.com. Please go to chapter 5, episode 3. This one, chapter 5, episode 3. I don't know what's happening here. Yeah, so chapter 5, episode 3. There is some new updates, as you can see if you pay attention. So let's take this win. We still have 2 seconds, and yeah, the first win. So this one, the first win. I guess the next one is going to be it's going up, a green candle also. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see. So with everything, $92. See, so it was clear. So yeah, next one is going to be going up. All right, it's going to be, so let's put $92. Let me just clear the screen. $92, and it's going up. All right, it's going up. So as I was saying, guys, chapter 5, episode 3, just go there. There's some new updates. Where are the updates? MACD. So if you pay attention, you can see that we are not using the 15 period. We are using the 20 period. So on our MACD, we are using the 20 period, and we are not using the 15 because there's some changes to the Euro USD market and the whole market. So I want you to go to our website, this one, binarystrategycourse.com, for my students, of course, and for those who don't have access or who don't have already accessed our course, please go to this website, enroll the course, and try to learn the strategy. Otherwise, you can just keep watching here. So for my students, go back there. There's some new changes to MACD, the way we use MACD. So by the way, here I'm using MACD, Bollinger Bands, RSI, Parabolic SAR. Yeah, Parabolic SAR. Yeah, the second win. So we're already at $170. I guess the next one is going down. The market, yeah, since the market created, yup. Not this one, not this one. Yeah, this one was clear, but yeah, this one. This is indicating a downtrend. All right. Next, let's put $100, and let's go. Boom, down. It's going down. All right. This one was going up. Here the market was going up. And the next one, I believe, I believe, I'm almost 100% that this one is going to be a win. So, for indicators, sometimes I use moving averages, but you know what? When you start being familiar with Euro USD, for example, you will start avoiding MAC or moving averages because it's just there in the MACD. But if you are a beginner and you're starting to learn the strategy, I advise you to use moving averages a lot. Use moving averages. It will guide you perfectly. Otherwise, just keep using Parabolic SAR MACD, RSI, and the Bollinger Bands. So especially this middle band. Everything about the strategy, everything about how I use the strategy is explained in the course in the description of this video. Yeah, the second win. We already at $255. So yeah. Oh, it's clear. So I'm gonna open another. Yeah, another down position. Yeah, another lower or down position or short position. Yeah. All right, now let's keep it $100. Now I'm gonna trade with $100. As you can see, my balance is not that big. Is at $255. That's why I will keep trading with $100 only, and I will wait for the market to confirm my trade or my prediction. Next, I will open a down position here, and I believe that the market will do it, and we will see. Next, let's just, all right, let's open a low position. Is this the perfect moment? Yeah. All right. So we already made this one, and this one. I made this loss the other week, but that's okay. We can make losses, especially when you have a small account. With a bigger account, you can be more precise, but with a small account, it's risky. You don't know what you're doing. Most of the time, fear takes place. So let's take this one. So we're already at $340. Yeah. Next, I believe it's going up. Yeah, next is going up. The market is going up. All right, let's go up. Next, it's clear. It's clear. Yeah. So guys, for those who have accessed my course, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section, or send me an email at support at binarystrategycourse.com. All right, let me just take this win. Still have 4, 3, 2, 1, and yeah, $400. I'm trying to go to 1,000, but I don't believe I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I don't believe that I'm going to 1K. I'm starting with $50, and I will try to go to 1K, but I don't believe that I'm gonna reach, because I still have like, I don't know, four trades or 3 trades at maximum. Yeah, 3 trades, and that's it. So this one was an uptrend. This one was an uptrend. The next one is going to be a downtrend. I'm talking about this one, a downtrend. Yeah, this one a downtrend. If this is right, which is, I believe, yeah. So the next one is also going to be a downtrend. Yeah, this one. So it was almost perfect. Not perfect, almost perfect. So the next one is also a downtrend. Let's wait for it. I still have a couple of trades to open, but believe me, if I'm losing, for example, this one, I'm just gonna quit. Let's see. If I'm losing, I'm quitting. Yeah, we're already at $410. If I'm winning this one, I'll be at around $600. Yeah, around $600 with 2 more trades. It will be like 800. So I believe that I'm going to yep, win. So almost, so $595. Oh, so next it's going up. See what's happening now. Next, let's go up. So let's go up. Yeah, let's go up. That's it. Let's go up. This one was going down, and then yeah. We will be at around $800 or less, I guess. $760 something. And I will close once we reach $700. Let's take it. Oh, almost there. So I guess let's open the last trade. So the last trade will go up. The market is going up, or I'm risking it. I don't know exactly, but I believe that I'm risking it. I'm not sure, but either way, I'm gonna close this trade. It was a beautiful section or session, and if I'm losing, I'm closing the trade. If I'm winning, I'm also closing this trade. Closing this session, sorry. Yeah. So I hope that you enjoyed, guys. Please be careful, because trading binary options is risky. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. There's no way I'm telling you that you will make the same amount of money. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. Take care.